Yeah, every morning I think you should have a routine, okay? Unless you have like a crazy job, like you could be a semi truck driver, or maybe you're on call quite a bit, or maybe you're a dancer, okay? And you're on stage number 3, okay? And your name is Puma or Granada. How about Pinto? All right. I lived in Vegas a lot of years. I did a lot of things, and I met a lot of dancers. They're normally names the Lexus or Mercedes. But what happened to the Chevy Beretta? Do you remember the Chevy Love, the little truck? All right. How about the Ford LTD? Okay, LTD, you're on stage number 2. Beretta, you're on number 5. Okay, and I got there's probably a girl named Tesla right now, just working her sweet little buns off right now. Okay, but you should have a routine when it comes down to at least making content for whatever that might be. And usually we're talking about online business. Okay, if you follow my channel or if you're looking into the Save Club thing, many people every day, they're just getting a hold of me. You can inbox me on Facebook. I'm not shy. All right, if I can help you, I definitely will. Email, what is my email? Cory@CoryDraper.com. And let's help each other. All right, at the end of the day, that's what we need to do. How I try my best to help you guys is to make anywhere from 3 to 5, 7, sometimes 10 videos a day. All right, it eats up time. Okay, I'm busy. I love doing other stuff. Guys, honestly, I'm not trying to retire. I need to be busy. I need to feel valuable. Okay, and thank goodness I have things that I do off camera that keep me busy, but I enjoy it. Okay, but I also enjoy where someone might write me and instead of saying shave your beard, Santa, or get a haircut, or decorate like a man and not a third grader, it kind of makes me feel good if I can help you guys out. Because I never did teach. In school, I screwed off a lot. I got booted out of just about every year, getting in trouble, recesses taken away, lunch, I had to bang erasers, or God, my record of badness was in 5th grade with Mr. Wheeler, La Patera High School in Santa Barbara. I got in so much trouble by mouthing off. I was just trying to show off, just trying to entertain you girls. You darn girls. Gosh darn it. I still do the same thing. And I'm almost 60, for gosh sakes. But I had to go and write each state of America 1,000 times before I was allowed back in 5th grade's class with Mr. Wheeler, who wore this big hat, and he'd always sit there and pick his nose. And then he'd wipe it in a handkerchief, and he'd put the handkerchief in his pocket. True story. If any of my Santa Barbara friends, all right, I went there 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. By 6th grade, I was out of there. But oh my gosh, there's so many things that you learn along the years. And if you like to story tell a little bit or do a little video like this, it doesn't have to be too long. I know I'm at 3 minutes right now, but I'm not so desperate all the time to go join, save club, desperate. You got to join now or your head's going to fall off. Okay. One thing I recommend is just relax a little bit, get a drink. If, I don't know if you call it a crutch, but some people just like to hold a pen. Now don't go or some people chew on it and you can hear things going on. But, if you feel better talking on camera where I'm on a webcam like this, and I think it is easier to have my elbows up and talk like this. I can pace myself. I can stop. I don't freak out if I have a couple seconds of silence. I don't feel like I always have to have high energy and pep and get to the point. TikTok, it's 9 o'clock. Get to the chorus and don't bore us. I've heard everything under the sun when it comes down to high speed, hauling ass, and trying to be as interesting as you can when it comes to social media and people in general. Your attention span, it's pretty low. It's short. And I'm right with you. Okay. But I don't want people to be intimidated by doing video like I'm doing right now. Okay. Because if you can get into the routine of just getting up, and you don't have to have a webcam like this and a little light from Walmart that shines your face, okay, up a little bit. But if you have one of these things, they're called a cell phone. They're getting popular. Samsung-y, iPhone-y, I don't even know the other brands, but there's probably about 1,000 more out there. Okay, and you can obviously just go sit behind your steering wheel in a parking lot or in your garage. Most people, and I'm not being funny, They find comfort sitting in their car because no one can hear them except themselves. And if you screw up, you just hit delete, go, oh, I can't stand it. Okay, I like that one. And then you upload it, and then you watch it, and then you delete it, okay? You're really self-conscious about what you look like. Is there lines in your forehead? Do you have a giant receding hairline? All right, is the background okay? How is my audio? Okay, I believe that you want to have at least a clear screen. Okay, I have a lot of these little microfiber towels. They're pretty cheap. There's like, I think 10 for $10 at Walmart. Boy, these are great for cleaning glasses, cleaning off, your computer screen, especially doing the back lenses. Okay, see that big one, the big large one in the middle, that is the one that films forward. But a lot of people, when they do selfie mode, guess what? The camera, they forget to go like this. You got to clean the front. So when they do a cell camera video, oh my gosh, when it's blurry, that drives me crazy. It's just something to think about. All right, I don't know if it's a little pet peeve, but I think you'd agree. If you have kind of a nice clean lens, it does make things a lot better. So make sure that you know which lens is recording. Obviously, just try to clean all 5. All right, this is what is this? A Samsung S, what is the new one? I got the S25 Ultra here. Okay, but make sure you clean both lenses. And it's always nice just to have the front of your phone clean too. Okay, and clean yourself. All right. So, all right, have a nice clean lens. Make sure your audio's okay. And as long as the volume's, pretty decent, you'll be okay. You can get a fancy microphone that gives you more bass, treble, make you sound like you're broadcasting live from a radio studio. Or I just have like a webcam microphone. Hopefully I sound okay. I think I do. All right, I've made thousands of videos and so far I've never had complaints about I can't hear you. Okay, but I'm just going to tell you what I use and get in a routine of trying, please, to do what I'm doing right now. And that's just making a video either with your cell phone or a webcam. The little circle light I got at Walmart for $25. It looks like it's about a 10-inch diameter. If you go on Amazon, I'm sure they're even cheaper, but I think it was $24, the one that I'm using. And then my, what is this called? The webcam. It's called the Logitech C920. I bought it years ago. I don't even know if they still make them. They probably have a 930, 940. I think I paid about 60 something bucks plus tax, so $70. But it's just called a C920. I think it's clear. You can hear me okay. All right, so if you have about $70, great. If you have another 20 something bucks for the light, okay. You're in good shape, guys. For $100, you're looking at my broadcast studio. And if you don't have $100, don't worry about it. Your cell phone. Just clean the lens. Clean the lens on your webcam too. Okay, position it nice. And just make sure you're kind of, focused on what you're going to say. And if you do forget or get lost, don't worry about it. If you have to cough, if you have to pause to get a drink, if you lose place, don't worry about it. Okay, when you enter the room, are you always you have to say things perfectly? Kids, get your ass dressed and go to school. Or do you rehearse and go, kids, get your ass dressed and go to school, okay? Talk just normal. The more normal and the more relatable you are, I think you're going to have more success, okay? Get these little Post-it note things, okay? Or get one of those 5x8 tablets. I have a whole bunch of them. They're out of reach, but those are my favorite. I love taking little notes. I'm still old school. You can use your phone, what is it called? Notepad, notebook, whatever. But go old school. Get yourself a pen. Get yourself some notes, notepads or Post-it notes, whatever they're called. And don't be shy about taking notes. And when you're talking on video, if you have to post them all over your screen or just hold the notes. I mean, in the old days, you've seen the copyright guys in the 60s and 70s. I'm Walter Cronkite. All right. And he'd just hold the news and kind of look down and look up. Now there's teleprompters where they can read, but then the camera is right through the screen. And if you watch slowly, you can see their eyeballs just going left and right, left and right. But no one's going to freak out. And just admit if you're new. If you are new, just admit it. I'm shy. I'm nervous. I'm not comfortable being on camera. I'm self-conscious about my looks, my wrinkles. I look tired. I'm balding. I look fat. All right. I just hate my voice. I don't want to listen to myself on playback. Okay, I get it. 90% of the world is like that. But in my opinion, oh my gosh, the advantage you have in any business, let alone Save Club, if you do video and just upload on your social media, maybe do a live one where you're just live and upload it, or maybe record it and then upload it on the Instagram, on the TikTok, the Facebook. I love YouTube because I can upload this video you're watching right now, and I can go ahead and keep the same video just on my, I guess, on my hard drive on my computer and open up Instagram, TikTok. I can do a short video, Threads, Twitter, X. Okay. You don't have to go live on all 4 or 5 social media platforms. You can do one video and usually do a good job of just uploading your one video on all your social media platforms. Now, some are better to be 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. Just go and search for, in our, I guess, Save Club. Okay, this is more of a Save Club oriented video. Look and see what other people are doing on Facebook and what got your attention. Go to the Instagrams, the TikTokers. See if there's someone that you admire that's promoting Save Club and see what the heck. It's like, hey, I think I can do that. All right. And of course, Facebook or YouTube, my videos are mostly the same. You can go through thousands. I think I have over 4,000 videos, all produced like this. Okay. I don't make one video and dice it up 50 times and say that's 50 videos. I actually like to do long form video where I can take my time and talk to you folks. My favorite time is about 10 minutes or longer. Okay. When I do webinars, they're about 20 to 30. Sometimes I'll do an hour, and it's easier for me to do 1 hour. But I know that you guys need to move on and do some certain things. With this video, I just wanted to say, guys, relax, and please look into video. It's going to give you a massive edge over someone that doesn't. But if you're never going to do it, just own it now, and let's get you good at emailing. All right? Let's get you good at just posting content every day. Make it fun. You got to have a routine, like I highly suggested at the beginning of this video. Getting up, do tinkling, have breakfast. Some people just have coffee in the morning and wait till lunch to be their first meal. But you know what? Get up a half hour earlier if you can, just to do a little video real quick. Hey guys, it's a new day. It is Tuesday morning. I have no idea what to do on my video, but I want you to go to ilovesaveclub.com. Now I'm late. I got to go brush my teeth and I'm out of here, guys. Thanks for your time. All right. Almost like a reality show. You don't have to say ready, set, go like you're on trial or you're broadcasting the news. And now here's the news. Okay? Smile. Have fun. Okay? If you stubbed your toe, tell people. If you have a little boogie in your nose, just go, ooh. Ooh, that's a good one. I'm going to save it. Okay? Have some humor. Be yourself. You'll get this. But a lot of people are asking me, especially this week, because I just kicked off my thing with my Save Club business, and so far so good. Okay, it looks like I'm already top 20 on the leaderboard or something, but I'm not even really working out hard yet, and I'm on the leaderboard, and that just means I'm in the right direction. I want you to go to ilovesaveclub.com. Okay, please just fill out your information. Okay, and then hit this orange button, and you're going to get more info about Save Club, or you can join. Just open the email. Please watch this YouTube video on the left too. Okay, so ilovesaveclub.com. Watch the video, fill out this information. Okay, and let's rock and roll. Let's have a good time. Okay, right now it's morning. Okay, so I have other work to do besides Save Club, but it looks good. I already have 2 people pre-enrolled. It looks like I had somebody sign up. And over the last, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm on my 6th day. I got 5 full days of just uploading videos and talking about Save Club. But it's nice to know that I'm having people pre-enroll. They just want more information. And it's way nice when people go ahead and say, hey, I really dig this. 10 people, 6. Yesterday I had 5 people. The day before 5. I have no doubt today I'm going to have another 5 people sign up. And I appreciate that. Okay, and it has a lot to do with just doing little videos like this, guys. But please, just realize, relax if you don't want to do video. We will get you good at social media and emailing because they're highly effective. Some of the most well-paid people in several of my businesses, they have not even done one video, and they're making tens of thousands a month, and even some of my friends make way more than that. No video. Okay. All right, guys, I'm at the 15-minute mark. Boom. I appreciate your time. Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm on Facebook. Inbox me. And I love SaveClub.com. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a good day, okay? See you soon. Bye.